If one day an alien civilization suddenly appeared in Earth's sky, humanity would realize our place in the universe is less than that of an ant. Imagine this, while you're still worrying about your phone running out of battery, a Type 2 civilization could stuff an entire star into its pocket like a power bank. Even more terrifying, a Type 3 civilization could easily destroy an entire galaxy. Just as you step on an ant, what about us humans? Right now, we aren't even a Type 1 civilization, we're just a newborn one at level 0.73, struggling in one corner of the universe. Scientist Kardashev once proposed that cosmic civilizations could be divided into levels. Each time a level increases, the civilization's ability to counter all energy makes a qualitative leap. Humanity would need at least 100 to 200 more years to reach Type 1, but the problem is that Type 7 civilizations, godlike entities, that control the energy of the entire universe, capable of creating and destroying universes, even rewriting the laws of physics, may have existed in the universe for a long time. So the question arises, if Type 7 civilizations truly exist, why have we never seen them? Are they deliberately hiding, or are lower-level civilizations simply not worth their attention? Today, let's discuss this topic that fascinates countless scientists but is also terrifying. First, we need to clarify where humanity currently stands. In 1964, Soviet astronomer Nikolai Semyonovich Kardashev said a shocking theory for classifying civilizations. He used a simple standard to measure the level of every civilization in the universe: energy. How much energy you control determines your level. According to the latest scientific assessments, human civilization is currently only at level 0.73. We haven't even reached the threshold of Type 1, our global energy. Output right now is about 18 terawatts, or 18,000 billion watts. It sounds like a lot, but it's only a tiny fraction of the energy Earth could harness. You should know that Earth receives up to 174,000 terawatts of energy from the sun every second. Right now, we're only harnessing about 0.1%. This is like sitting on a treasure trove but still going hungry, both pitiful and ridiculous. Even harsher is that, according to Kardashev's theory, every time the civilization level increases by 0.1, the required energy increases tenfold. To reach Type 1, humanity needs to increase energy efficiency by at least 10,000 times. Scientists predict that, even at current technological development rates, it would take us at least 100 to 300 years to barely cross this threshold, and that's assuming no nuclear war, climate disaster, or asteroid impact. So just how powerful is a Type 1 civilization? A Type 1 civilization is also called a planetary civilization. They can fully control all resources and energy on their entire planet. It sounds impressive, but really it's just managing their own household. A Type 1 civilization can arbitrarily control the weather, change wind directions, stop rain and storms. If a volcano wants to erupt, sorry, not allowed. If an earthquake wants to happen, no chance. They could even build cities on the ocean floor, construct massive space stations, and turn the whole planet into their backyard. Most importantly, a Type 1 civilization has mastered controlled nuclear fusion, meaning nearly unlimited energy. They no longer worrying about oil, coal, or fossil fuels. However, even so, a Type 1 civilization is still trapped on its home planet. Their range of activity extends at most to a few nearby planets. In the vast universe, there's still frogs at the bottom of a well. A Type 2 civilization, on the other hand, completely breaks this limit. A Type 2 civilization is called a stellar civilization. They're no longer satisfied with one planet's resources and turn their sights to stars. In 1860, American physicist Freeman Dyson proposed a wild idea, building a gigantic spherical shell enclosing an entire star to absorb all its radiated energy. That's the famous Dyson sphere. It sounds like science fiction, but physically, it's entirely feasible. A star like the Sun releases energy every second up to 3.8 times 10 to the power of 26 watts, about 20 billion times Earth's current energy consumption. With such enormous energy, a Type 2 civilization could build massive spacecraft the mass of asteroids, travel at extreme speeds through the galaxy, even alter planetary orbits, and rearrange the entire stellar system structure. Even more terrifying, they began exploiting black holes and white holes, creating micro black holes as engines for interstellar travel, or using black hole tidal forces for nearly unlimited energy. But a Type 2 civilization still has an ultimate limit, the speed of light, even if their ship's a proa. Ch light speed crossing the Milky Way would take at least 100,000 years, and the Milky Way is just one of 2,000 billion galaxies in the universe. That's why a Type 3 civilization is so terrifying. A Type 3 civilization is called a galactic civilization. Their energy source is no longer one star, but the entire galaxy. The Milky Way has over 200 billion stars. Exploiting even a small portion would yield energy thousands of billions of times humanity's current level. With such vast energy, they're no longer limited by light speed. They likely master wormhole technology, instantly traveling anywhere in the galaxy. Distance becomes meaningless. They could colonize the galaxy in under 1 million years via self-replicating probes, harvesting energy from billions of stars through networked Dyson swarms. This aligns with estimates that a civilization could spread across the Milky Way in 10 to 100 million years at sublight speeds. Scientists believe a Type 3 civilization has completely solved all life problems, arbitrary gene editing, extending lifespan by thousands of years, even uploading consciousness for a form of immortality. They might possess dimensional reduction weapons, like in Liu Cixin's novel The Three-Body Problem, reducing three-dimensional space to 2 dimensions. In Kardashev's original theory, Type 3 was the pinnacle, but as human understanding of the universe deepened, scientists realized the evolutionary path is far longer. Note that Kardashev's original 1960 for scale stopped at Type 3 galactic energy, harnessed but extensions by physicists like Michio Kaku proposed Type for universal scale, harnessing dark energy or multiple galaxies, and Type 5 multiversal, manipulating extra dimensions or quantum foam. Type 6 might involve controlling the multiverse's branching timelines, while Type 7 could encompass omnipotent simulation or creation of realities. A type for civilization is called a universal civilization. Their range is no longer one galaxy, but the entire observable universe, with a diameter of about 93 billion light-years, containing at least 2,000 billion galaxies. They could establish intergalactic energy transmission networks, master spacetime, create wormholes, bend space, even travel between timelines. They might start altering fundamental physical constants like the speed of light, gravitational constant, or Planck constant. Laws we see as inviolable are just adjustable parameters to them. A Type 5 civilization is multidimensional. They transcend three-dimensional space. Freely operating in higher dimensions, string theory suggests the universe might have 10 to 11 dimensions. They could exist as pure energy or information exchange between parallel universes, even create new universes like planting vegetables. A Type 6 civilization is multi-universal. They exist simultaneously in every parallel universe, rewriting physical laws for each. Our entire universe might just be their laboratory environment, and humans merely bacteria in it. A Type 7 civilization reaches the ultimate godlike They can create and destroy universes from nothing, rewrite causality, reverse time, bring the dead back to life. They're unbound by any physical law. Their will is the universe's rule. At this point, you might ask if these advanced civilizations exist. Why haven't we ever encountered them? Why is the universe so silent? This is the famous Fermi paradox. In 1950, physicist Enrico Fermi asked a simple yet profound question. With countless galaxies and planets, why haven't we found any trace of alien civilizations? There are many explanations. Perhaps they've discovered us but choose not to contact, like how we don't talk to ants. Or a great filter causes most civilizations to self-destruct before reaching high levels, or the dark force. T-law. Advanced civilizations hide themselves and eliminate any lower ones that reveal their position. If the last theory is true, then all the radio signals, electromagnetic waves, and space probes humanity is sending out might be digging our own grave like noisy children in a deep forest, unaware of how many hunters lurk in the darkness. Whatever the truth, humanity's path of exploration will never stop. From level 0.732, Type 1, from planetary to stellar civilization, the road is long but full of endless possibilities. Perhaps one day, humanity will stand at the universe's pinnacle, and then we might realize that Type 7 is not the end, but a whole new beginning. The universe's mysteries are far deeper than we imagine. If you found this video interesting, maybe it got you thinking about humanity's tiny place in the vast universe, or even gave you chills with all these ideas about super advanced civilizations, then please drop a like down below. That thumbs up means the world to me and helps push this content to more people just like you. And if you don't want to miss out on future videos diving into space, mind-blowing science fiction, or more cosmic mysteries that'll keep you up at night, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell right now. It only takes a second, but it'll make sure you never miss an upload. Thanks so much for watching all the way to the end. You guys are awesome. See you in the next one.